Functional Strength for Low Back Pain, Lesson 3, Understanding the Core. In this lesson, you will get a general understanding of the anatomy of the core, the muscles that support the spine, and how these muscles move and work to stabilize the discs in your spine. Although a detailed knowledge of anatomy is not required to take action and begin exercising for better core strength and stability, it's fun to see all of the different layers and complexities that go into our bodies. So enjoy this lesson. Feel free to take some notes in your journal, and at the end, we will recap the important things to remember about your spine and the muscles of your core. The pelvic floor prevents your insides from falling out the bottom of you, as well as putting upward pressure to help stabilize the core. The glutes muscles stabilize the hips and help pad the sciatic nerve, which runs through the piriformis beneath. Running from the inside of your low back to the front of your femur is the psoas muscles. These muscles assist in hip flexion as well as forward flexion in the core. Deep in the spine, you will find the multifidus muscles. These muscles are key components of your core stability. Layered on top of those is the erector spinae muscles. These muscles help with movements such as back extension or arching back, staying upright, and stabilizing the hips, spine, and low back. The transverse abdominis is kind of like an internal girdle, holding everything tight together. On top of that, the internal obliques keep our sides firm. The external obliques are visible from the outside and assist with lateral flexion. Finally, we've got the abs, the six-pack. Those are visible from the outside too and assist with forward flexion. But we can't forget one final muscle, the diaphragm. Not only is this muscle going to be important for breathing, but keeping good downward pressure in the guts. Your core is capable of 4 fundamental movement patterns: rotation, lateral flexion, forward flexion, and extension. These are the important things to remember about your core anatomy, not so much the individual muscles, but what the muscles can do. The other important function of the core muscles is stabilization and resisting movement in all of those directions. In this lesson, you learned what the core can do: forward flexion, back extension, axial rotation, lateral flexion, and stabilization. In the next lesson, we will cover what questions to ask your doctor to get useful information for the most effective exercise program. Hey, thanks for watching. If you're seeing this video on your social media, it means that it is just one small, tiny piece of a larger program that is available to members of the Nerd Gym Online for back pain. If this is you and you would like to address your back pain with strength training and getting stronger and feeling better, then go to www.thenerdgym.com, sign up for any membership level, and you'll get access to the full back pain course as well as live online classes and support for that program. Go to www.thenerdgym.com, sign up for any membership level, and you can get access to the full back pain course as well as live classes, meal plans, everything else the Nerd Gym has to offer. I'll see you there.